Let's have more examples. In this example, we consider the previous problem which we solved, but we extended, we put a coefficient a here, so it's a bit more complicated. So if a is positive, I could solve this y equal to ax2. So I get y divided by a is equal to x2. Therefore, x1 is equal to a square root of y divided by a, and x2 is equal to minus the square root of y divided by a. Obviously, if a is positive and y is positive, you have two solutions. This is the set of solutions. But if y is negative, y negative, no solution. So because there is no solution, I immediately could say that fy of y is equal to 0 for y being negative. For y being positive, I have two solutions, so I get fx at solution x1, and x1 is equal to this one, plus fx at solution x2, which is this one. Here I have to divide these by d of g with respect to dx, but I have to replace x by x1, and here I have to calculate dg with respect to dx, and then replace x by x1. Remember to put absolute value on the denominators. So this is how we calculate it. So the second thing is that the derivative of g of x with respect to x, if you calculate the absolute value, will become twice ax, which is this one. So now let us apply this equation that we have here. So we could use this one and summarize it. So the J inverse, if y is negative, no solution, and then quickly we could say that the PDF of y for negative values of y is 0. For positive values of y, you get two solutions, plus minus the square root of y divided by a. Because a square root of a negative number is not a real number. So this is why you don't have solution here. And if y is positive, you have two solutions. And this is what we said. Now we have to replace. So this guy is this one, and this guy is this one. So I have to replace x1 in here and x2 here, and then put it in these two terms. So if you do that, you get both of these guys will become 1 over twice the square root of y, ay, and you get this expression. Now, for example, if the random variable x has a normal distribution, so you just need to replace this x by a square root of, you replace this square root of y here, and then put it in this equation. So in that case, you get this constant, and then you get those terms. So in that case, you get this distribution, and you can see that this is a gamma distribution with alpha equal to 1/2. And parameter of lambda equal to 2a, lambda equal to 2a. This is a gamma distribution. So a squared of a normal distribution has a gamma PDF with alpha equal to 1/2.